Picking up Jeffrey at the Gothic. Let's get it. Alright guys, first cold night, first night of this Arctic blast, whatever. With the wind chill, it's gonna be -10. Tonight I probably won't do any food delivery. Just gonna do ride share. Just sitting in my car and drive around. Yeah, -10. I think we're gonna pass on food delivery. I am also fighting a cold myself. My eyes are watery, been coughing a little bit. So follow me on my journey, Ubering and Lyfting in this Arctic cold. Let's get it. So we have some flurries on the ground, just some flurries. Nothing sticks. It's just mainly cold.
Take a slight right on South Broadway.
With the wind chill, it's gonna be in the negatives here. It's brutal. Not a good day to be outdoors, yeah. If you are outdoors, bundle up, man.
850 feet, turn left on South Broadway.
Wear a beanie, wear gloves, wear boots, wear the proper attire. It takes only 10 minutes for you to get frostbite without the proper attire. First pickup is at the Gothic Theater. There's probably some concert going on right now.
In half a mile, make a U-turn at East Mid Avenue.
We might catch a few surge around 1:30 a.m. and so on. Let's see, huh? Just gonna be driving for like 3 or 4 hours. Yeah. Let's go, fam. Alright. Just some flurries on the ground. Yeah, take it easy when it's snowing, or when it's icy and so on. Just take it easy. Picking up Jeffrey at the Gothic. Let's get it. All right, last ride was like 3 miles. Slipped me a $10 cash tip. He was a little bit drunk, but he was cool. He was like cool drunk, you know. He's like, oh man, it's freaking cold out today. I really appreciate you picking me up, you know. So awesome customer, man. $16 for 8 miles on the radar, UberX. So another driver already grabbed it. All right, lifting and Ubering on a cold day. Let's get it, fam. Please smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell. I apologize for the raspy voice. I'm fighting this cold myself. All right, let's get it. Current time 12:53 a.m. Saturday morning. Show you guys the temperature. All right, it's starting to surge. We're getting like $3 per mile rides at 1:50 a.m. Last customer was like $3 per mile ride, but she canceled, so I got like $4 for some. Then the next ride is gonna be like $4 per mile. $4 for 16. Current time 1:55 a.m. So hopefully we'll get one more search right after this. Let's get it. All right, weather update. Regular temperature -9. We're at the airport. Oh man, it's brutal. With the wind chill, -27. Yeah. Just had to arrive from Lakewood to the airport. $60 ride, I think. Took us 1 hour though. Yeah, due to traffic and all that. I am done, man. My eyes becoming red again. Even if there's a $100 ride, I can't take it. I gotta drive home. I'll step out for a cigarette, and yeah, today I think we made like 200 with the cash tip, with the $20 cash tip. Probably did like 200 in 5 hours. Pretty good. Mostly with UberX, yeah. I think all UberX, no Lyft. Maybe one Lyft at the beginning. I don't know if I told you guys the stories, but yeah, we'll update you guys tomorrow when I wake up. Yeah, I am done, man. Took a 1 hour nap, and we've been on for 5.5 hours. Really cold. Yeah, it could be negative 35 tomorrow night. -27. Regular temperature is -9, but with the wind speed, it's a little bit windier out in the airport because it's all flat. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the morning, huh? All right, now I got my cigarette. Feel a little bit better. Yeah. I'm driving home. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, with Lyft, I think I have one ride. I don't want to talk about it. Let's talk about a good ride, so. Yeah. Long story. I'll tell you on a different day, huh? So the last ride was $60 1 hour. Yeah, it didn't take 1 hour 38. Yeah, and this one was $111 in 3 hours. Wow. Plus $20 cash tip. $111 3 hours. $60 1 hour. Yeah, I think we were on for 4.5. Yeah, 4.5. So at 4 a.m. The earnings roll over. So pretty good day. Off the top of my head, like $40 per hour with the $20 cash tips. Not too shabby, right? Yeah, it's really cold today. Shit, man. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. You can check out my next video up here or over here. And don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thank you for watching, fam.